Hello everyone, welcome to Han Virtual Academy. In this video, we are going to share general knowledge about the world in the form of multiple choice questions. Answer to each question will be further elaborated and explained in detail to have a better insight. Question number 1. The island of Socotra belongs to Yemen. Socotra Island in the Indian Ocean is about 210 miles, that is around 340 kilometers, southeast of Yemen, to which it belongs. Socotra's flora includes several famous species like myrrh, frankincense, and dragon's blood tree. Question number 2. The strait connecting Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman is Hormuz. A strait is a naturally formed, narrowing, typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. It is 96 miles long and only 21 miles wide. The Strait of Hormuz is important because it is a geographic checkpoint and a main artery for the transport of oil from the Middle East. Iran and Oman are the countries nearest to the Strait of Hormuz and share territorial rights over the waters. Question number 3. Great Malawi Lake is in Africa. Lake Malawi is an African Great Lake located on the Tanzania-Mozambique-Malawi border and is also known as Nyasa in Tanzania and Lago Nyasa in Mozambique. Lake Malawi is Africa's third largest and the world's ninth largest lake by surface area, covering 29,600 square kilometers. It is the world's sixth deepest and Africa's second deepest lake by maximum depth. However, it is the world's fifth largest freshwater lake by total volume. Lake Malawi is 560 to 580 km long from north to south and has a maximum width of 75 kilometers. Question number 4. Great Bear Lake is in Canada. Great Bear Lake is a lake in the boreal forest of Canada. It is the largest lake entirely in Canada, the fourth largest in North America, and the eighth largest in the world by surface area. The lake is 320 kilometers long and 40 to 175 kilometers wide. Question number 5. Avila Walls is in which of the following countries? Avila Walls are in Spain. The medieval walls of Avila in the central Spain, completed in between the 11th and the 14th centuries, are the city of Avila's principal historic feature. These fortifications are the most complete in all of Spain. Alfonso VI ordered the construction of this fortification after his conquest of Avila in 1090. He used Moorish prisoners to build the wall. Question number 6. The Temple of the Tooth is in Kandy, Sri Lanka. Built in the year 1595 during the reign of the king Vimala Dharmasurya I, the temple houses the sacred tooth relic of Lord Buddha and therefore is venerated by devotees of the Buddhist faith from all corners of the world. Question number 7. The first intelligible words, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you," were recorded on a telephone on March 10, 1876. These words were spoken by Alexander Graham Bell, inventor of the telephone, when he made the first call on March 10, 1876 to his assistant Thomas Watson. Question number 8. How many times the national flag of Afghanistan has been changed? It has been changed for almost around 30 times. In the 102 years of Afghanistan's independence, the nation's national banners were changed 30 times. Only in 1919 it was changed 6 times. Various flags rippled for Afghanistan Emirate, Kingdom, Republic, Socialist Republic, and finally its Islamic State. Still, there is a bit of controversy in it. Some of the literature says 18 flags, some 25, and some 30. Question number 9. Zacatecas is a state located in Mexico. Zacatecas is a state in north-central Mexico, northwest of the Mexico City. It contains La Quemada archaeological site, a large pre-Columbian settlement with a museum, hilltop pyramid, and columns. The state's high-altitude capital, also called Zacatecas, is home to the Mina El Eden, an old silver mine with an underground train that passes unique rock formation, displays of mineral deposits, and antique mining machinery. Question number 10. Which of the following countries is called an enclave? So the country that is called an enclave is San Marino. An enclave is a country that is completely surrounded by the territory of one other country. There are just three enclave countries in the world: Lesotho, San Marino, and Vatican City. Both San Marino and Vatican City are in Europe and are surrounded by a territory belonging to Italy. Lesotho is the largest enclave country while Vatican City is the smallest. Question number 11. Which of the following two oceans meet at Cape Agulhas? So the two oceans that meet at Cape Agulhas are Atlantic and Indian Ocean. Cape Agulhas is a rocky headland in Western Cape, South Africa. It is the geographic southern tip of the African continent and the beginning of the dividing line between the Atlantic and Indian Oceans according to the International Hydrographic Organization. The name Agulhas is from Portuguese for needles. Question number 12. First face uploaded on Facebook was of Al Pacino. Al Pacino was the first face on Facebook. A very early iteration of the site displayed a header image featuring a man's face obscured behind binary code. The identity of the man could not be seen clearly, but it later came to light that the face was that of acclaimed actor Al Pacino. The social media giant Facebook was launched on 4th February 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg along with the Harvard College students and roommates. Question number 13. Disappointment Island is in New Zealand. Disappointment Island is one of the 7 uninhabited islands in the Auckland Islands archipelago in New Zealand. In 1765, with British explorer John Byron named Napuka and Tepoto Disappointment Islands because he found the natives to be hostile towards him. Question number 14. Strait connecting the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov is Kerch Strait. The Kerch Strait is a strait in Eastern Europe. The strait is 3.1 kilometers to 15 kilometers wide and up to 18 meters deep. Question number 15. The mausoleum of Halicarnassus is in Turkey. Mausoleum of Halicarnassus is one of the seven wonders of the world. The monument was the tomb of Mausolus, ruler of Caria in southwestern Asia Minor.